guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes, it's been a while since yung last vlog ko, and I think my last vlog is a hiking vlog. I'm not sure. Ang daming nangyari sa aking life. It's already 2026 and 2025 was it's like a wheel, like a roller coaster for me kasi grabe, iba-iba yung mga nangyari sa life ko from being single I think naging single ako for almost 3 years nung nasa Philippines pa ako, and then when I came here in Canada, I have some dates and I didn't expect my life to turn the page. Yung chapter ng life ko, magkakaroon pa ng new chapter, but I think it's not a new chapter, it's a new book for me because it's different. It's unusual, or can I say like iba siya. Iba siya sa nakasanayan ko na I'm so dependent on my parents when I was in Philippines, and now that I'm here in Canada for 2 years and 6 months, 3 months. 2 years and 3 months, ang daming nangyari sa life ko. Natuto ako maging independent. I learn how to handle myself, to handle my stress without people around me. Nakasanayan ko na may parents ako, may family ako in the Philippines. Alam niyo naman kung ano yung dynamics ng life natin when we're in the Philippines at kung ano yung mangyayari kapag nasa Canada ka. When nung pumunta ako dito, I'm really alone. Meron akong mga kakilala, pero friends yon ng papa ko. And wala ako as in na friends or anyone na makakasandal ko dito sa Canada. And I'm so proud of myself. Kung kakausapin ko yung old self ko, I will say na I'm so proud of her because a lot of things na hindi ko ina-expect na nakaya ko. And yun. And today, this year, or last months of last year in 2025, nagkaroon ng bagong libro, yung aking life, kung saan nagkaroon ako ng aking kabiyak na sobrang hindi ko rin ina-expect yung mga nangyari, but I would say that that's the best decision I've ever made. It's not perfect like every relationship, but I believe na it's a right choice. It's what God's path for me, and sobrang amazing yung nangyari kasi dumating ako sa point where I said na ayoko na. I will accept the fact that I will be rich tita, or tita na lang, wala lang rich. Pero alam mo yun, sinabi ko na lang kay Lord na, okay Lord, hindi na ako mangingialam sa buhay ko because this is just my life. My life is not mine, it's yours. Sinaram ko lang sa'yo to, and ikaw talaga yung may-ari ng buhay ko na to, and I will let you do whatever you want in my life. I'm not perfect. Actually, naniniwala ako na isa akong black sheep sa religion ko kasi I'm not perfect. I do things na hindi kalugod-lugod sa Lord, but I'm still trying to be better each and every day of my life. I'm trying to be good, and at the same time hindi I'm trying to be good pa din, katulad ng kind heart ko simula pa noon. And also, I'm also trying to be strong, independent, and brave na hindi nagpapauto sa mga taong narcissist, gaslighters, or whatsoever na gusto mag-manipulate sa akin, because a lot of things happened nga in my life. Siguro one day, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga napagdaanan ko here in Canada for the past 2 years na mag-isa ako dito. Nagkaroon ako ng mga kaibigan, true friends, fake friends, or whatsoever na masasabi ko. And now, I found my man. And yon. So this vlog, I will let you meet him. Because I have a lot of videos with him na hindi ko na-upload sa YouTube ko, but a lot of my friends on my Facebook and followers on my IG and TikTok, I think, nakita nyo na kung sino siya at kung ano itsura niya. But in YouTube, wala pa akong nagagawang vlog ulit after nun kasi naging so busy ako, and then siguro anxiety and depression hits me again, and sobrang wala akong gusto sa life kong gawin, ganon. And then nung nakilala ko siya, naging so busy ako, sobrang happy that I don't usually do videos na, or kung may video ako, ipopost ko lang siya and I'm not going to do vlogs. But now I decided I want to do vlog again, and I want to show everyone my life here in Canada. I want to show everyone and to tell everyone my life lessons and yung mga bagay na realize ko, like what I want to do in the first place. And yan. So today, I will show you what we're going to do this day. Oh no, not just this day, but for this 2-day off of mine, because nakatira nga ako sa Banff, still living in Banff talaga for 5 days because I have work and I'm in close permit, so I have to stay there for 5 days, and just going here in Calgary to be with my husband for 2 days. So I will show you yung lugar na tinitirhan namin ngayon, because nakatira siya dito, ako every 2 days lang, every weekend lang, and then we also have roommate na isa, si Cyro, and he's a Filipino, and I'm so happy na we're with him because he's so kind, he's my best friend here, you know. And ayan, sobrang vibes kami, syempre. And then sobrang stress yung husband ko kasi like kami nagchichismisan and he doesn't understand how to speak Tagalog pa. Medyo konti kaya niya, but not that much. So sometimes nagrereklamo siya sa akin kasi nga hindi kami nag-i-English kapag nagchichismisan. Pero syempre, 'di ba, kapag nagchichismisan kayo ng mga Pilipino, nahihirapan kayong mag-English ng fluently English na kayo lang naman magkasama. So yun, I told him he have to learn to speak Tagalog. Pero for now, for how many months na magkasama kami, hindi pa niya kaya. He can speak BGC accent, like I'm here na, I love you na, and he always saying ha because I don't know kung gano'n ako magsalita daw kasi laging may ha, so yun pa lang yung nakukuha niya, pero fluently Tagalog, no, wala pa siyang nagagawang ganon. So yun, I will show you the place where we live in. Saan na yun? Tadan! Yan, ito yung place namin. Yung building. So cute, right? Nasa building kami. Sobrang layo ng tinitirahan ko sa Banff kasi panay bundok doon. Ito panay building. And sobrang ingay ng mga sasakyan. And yun. Dati may video kami doon, summer pa, na naglalaro kami ng football and whatsoever na hindi ko na ano. Tapos tong building na to, meron silang sauna. Also, they have gym na napuntahan ko na maybe once or twice at dadaanan ko for how many times pero hindi ko talaga nagagawa. But we're planning to do gym na para maging sexy at fit kami, and we also want to be healthy because we're trying to conceive. And me as a PCOS woman, it's really hard for me to get pregnant because last time I thought I'll be pregnant na because I've been delayed for 12 days and nakagamit ako ng 5 pregnancy test kasi ayoko maniwala na negative siya, and I feel a lot of pain in my body na pag sinesearch ko sa ChatGPT, sinasabi niya na possibly pregnant. But unfortunately, I had my period. So, wala na akong pag-asa kundi tanggapin yung katotohanan na hindi ako buntis. So, ngayon lang ako sobrang na-depress na hindi ako nagkaroon. Dati sobrang saya ko pag di ako nagkakaroon kasi I really hate kapag may period kasi sobrang messy. Sobrang nakakairita yung feeling. But yun, now I'm getting depressed whenever I have my period kasi ibig sabihin, wala. But yan, tulad ng sabi ko, I'm just waiting for my husband. Kaya dumanadal ako sa inyo. But yan, I will show you what we're going to do this 2 days kasi alam ko marami kaming gagawin. Hindi lang kami tatambay sa bahay though. It's so cold. The weather is -12 sa last na check ko. And last night, it's -20. Nung pag-uwi ko dito kagabi, sobrang lamig. As in, at yung husband ko naka 3-4 na layer siya and ako 2 layer at lamig na lamig ako. And I will always say na, kasi you're Canadian. And he will show me how many layers he's wearing, and I'm just wearing 2 layers. Ayun. So, pagalitan niya ako. Kasi, yes, Canadian daw siya. And he knows how to dress during winter. And I'm Filipino, and I still don't know how to dress during winter. So, yan. Medyo nakakalita siya madalas, but I still have that guy. Crazy guy. So, yan. We're going to wait for him so we can go out and yan, mamit ko na siya. Vlog! I said to my vlog I will gonna show my husband. My very loving husband, handsome, kindest, but crazy husband. I already show you. So guys, let me show you my beautiful, handsome, kind, loving husband. Your name?
You got the zebra, huh?
Say, he always saying, huh?
Zebra.
He got from work. He's so tired, but he fuck up because he said to his coworker that is going back at 3 p.m. when he's not the manager. And the manager was like, "Oh sure."
Only if he needs.
Only if he needs.
He's an electrician. Hopefully he can figure it out.
I hope so. So
If he
this
doesn't-
is my husband. Your name is
Jim.
Jim. You're not Jim. Who's Jim?
I'm Jim.
You're not Jim. Your name is
Shane, huh?
Shayna.
Shane, huh?
Meet my very loving husband, Shayna. Without Shane.
With
his nerdy
zip caps.
collections.
Zip caps.
Yeah, he bought Pokemon cards worth $300. I don't know why he did that.
Why did you throw it at me? It was worth 300, huh?
He's always saying he need to save money, but buy nerdy stuff.
It runs at full speed.
I don't care. So whatever. He spent $300. And he's so happy, so that's okay. As long as he's happy, I don't care. That's his money, it's not my money. So we're going out na. He's going to change his clothes because he's still in his working clothes. So we're going out and we're going to do our laundry later. My husband said he doesn't love me anymore. No one's holding my hand.
Never once did I say that, Paul.
Huh?
Never once did I say that, Paul.
Said that Paul. Told you. He only knows. Don't say bad words in my vlog. That's bad. He only knows po, na, and ah. So, we're walking downtown. We're living just in downtown. That's the place. Building. And we're holding hands. And it feels like -20. No! Ouch! For my vlog. Shout out to Jelly habang kumakain ako sa Gorogan. Nagchichismis siya. So we're done. We're done eating the Gorogan. And I don't like the ramen. Next time, sushi na lang. And then we went to shopping sa Shoppers. She have all the goods. All the goods. So,
All the goods, huh? All the goods.
yeah. My shampoo and conditioners.
And why it's so heavy?
He said I'm so heavy. Hi, I'm back and it's Saturday and it's already almost 3, 4 minutes before 3. Nagising naman ako na maaga, like 8 a.m. pero nagnap lang kami, then kumain, then nanood ng documentaries, murder documentaries. Yun yung banding namin. Then, yun, ngayon naligo na ako. Kasi gusto ko nang maligo, pero gusto ko mag-gym. Kasi sabi ko, mapunta ako ng gym and maglalaba rin ako. So, ayusin ko muna itong kwarto, kunin ko yung mga lalaban ko. And then, kasalang ko yung labahan. And then, diretso ako sa gym. And I don't know kung ano pa yung mga gagawin ko. Pero gusto ko talaga maging alam mo yan, productive ngayong araw. Itong 2 days off ko at pipilitin kong magawa yan. So, samahan niyo ako kasi isasama ko kayo sa mga gagawin ko. Kasi gusto ko lang. Gusto ko may kasama ako. Ayoko mag-isa ako. Kasi kapag may camera, magiging masipag ako. Itutuloy ko talaga siya. Pero pag wala, baka tamatakot ako. So, sama ko kayo. Yung asawa ko, nanonood dun sa labas. Tinatamad pa siya. So ako na lang. Bahala siya. Gusto kong mag-sexy. Char. So, kakaligo ko lang. And then, ano lang ako. Lalagay lang ako ng mga kaartehan ko sa aking hair. At sa aking sarili. Yan. Leave-in conditioner. And then, magli-lip gloss lang ako. And then, magkakap na lang ako. Para kahit wala akong kilay. Kasi, man, kilay is life ko talaga yan. Pero yan. Mahal ako. So, naisa lang na namin yung mga labahan. And then, now I'm on my way to the gym. Sa second floor lang yun ng building na to. And ayaw ni Shane mag-gym. Saka na lang kasi gusto ko magpanggap. Outfit check. So, it's in second floor. Tapos kung makikita nyo, nag-snow sa labas. Snowing. And ako, mag-gym. Gusto ko magpapakas. Gusto ko magbago. Samahan niyo ako magbago. Sana walang tao. Hey, solo ko. Tadan! Yung place. Then, it's snowing sa labas. May sauna dito na daanan natin. Ito yung gym nila. Ayan, gagawin ko mamaya yan. Try ko. So, mag-start ako ng 4:15. Simulan natin magpanggap. Kasi nakikinig na yung tuhod ko. Kasi kasi naman ako ng ginawa ko. But one of the things na problem ko is yung tuhod ko. Before medyo nahaya ko pa. Pero nung nag-start ako mag-hike, doon nag-start na mas lalong sumalala yung tuhod ko. And then, nung mga nakaraan na for 2 years, lagi ako nabubuhat sa fast food, sa work ko. Mas lalong nag-ano yung balakang ko. Hindi pa ako nakapagpa-check up, pero sabi nila it's sciatic nerve. So, hinihintay ko pa yung work permit ko para makapagpa-check up ako. But I really want to know what's better exercise or workout na pwedeng gawin para hindi maapektuhan yung tuhod ko at para mas maging strong siya. Pero I really want to do gym. Gusto ko magpapawis. Gusto ko mawala yung double chin ko. Gusto ko mawala yung chin ko. So, nalobat ako. So, sinala ko na yung dryer. Tapos may isa pa kaming laundry. Yes. And ito nga sabi ko kanina. Yun, gusto ko magpa-check up para sa tuhod ko. Pero gusto ko mawala tong double chin. And yung chin ko, yung bilbil ko. And gusto ko mawala yung bilbil ko. And gusto kong buntis. Sabi nila kailangan maging healthy ka. Kailangan mag-dieta ako para makatulong yan sa pagbubuntis. Para mabuntis ako. So yan. I'm trying to be a good girl na. I'm trying to be healthy and huwag maging pasaway sa mga pagkain. So yan. So today, nakita niyo kung ano yung mga ginawa ko. Kasi siya pa yung asawa ko sa mga video. Pero surely next time, makikita niya siya na makulit na rin. Kasi makulit talaga siya. Hindi niya na pinapakita sa video. Tapos, ayun, nawala ng SD card yung camera ko kaya natigil doon. So, nag-phone lang ako ngayon. Pero, yun, hindi ko alam kung may sunod ito ang video na to. Pero kung matapos to, ito na yung katapusan.